Hello everyone. Today we are going to look at Act 3, Scene 3, Merchant of Venice. This scene takes place in a street of Venice where Shylock, Salarino, and the Gauler are present. Gauler is a jailer. So here Shylock says, Gauler, look to him and tell not me of mercy. This is a fool that lends out money gratis. Gowler looked to him. So Shylock is ordering the Gowler or the jailer to take care of Antonio when he is in the prison, and says that don't tell me that I should take mercy on this person, because he is that foolish person who used to lend money without any rate of interest. Gratis means rate of interest. So jailer, you have to take good care of him. Then Antonio, hear me yet, good Shylock. So Antonio starts speaking to Shylock. He says that, can you please listen to me? I want to talk to you. Shylock, I'll have my bond. Speak not against my bond. I have sworn an oath that I will have my bond. Thou callest me dog before thou hadst a cause. But since I am a dog, beware my fangs. The Duke shall grant me justice. I do wonder, thou naughty Gowler, that thou art so fond to come abroad with me at his request. So Shylock says, see, I'll have my bond. So don't talk to me against that bond. Regarding that bond, I don't want to listen anything. And you have always called me a dog at the Rialto, so you should be beware of my teeth. Fangs means teeth, the sharp teeth. And since I'm a dog, so don't talk to me. It's better that you should be careful of my teeth. The Duke will have to grant me justice. And then he speaks to the Gowler. Shylock turns to the Gowler and says that, what has happened to you, being a jailer, that you have let this person out of the prison and allowed him to talk to me? What kind of jailer are you? You are a wicked jailer. Antonio, I pray thee hear me speak. Antonio, irrespective of whatever Shylock was saying, Antonio said that, please listen to me, I have a request. Shylock, I'll have my bond. I will not hear the speak. I'll have my bond and therefore speak no more. I'll not be made a soft and dull-eyed fool to shake the head, relent and sigh and yield to the Christian intercessors. Follow not. I'll have no speaking. I will have my bond. Shylock says, don't talk to me. I'll have my bond. This is for sure. So you should not speak to me anymore, because if you think that I'll be made soft and I'll have a feeling of mercy inside me and being a fool, and then I will try to behave as a fool and shake my head and just regret for you and sigh for you for your losses, so forget all about this. So follow not me, because I do not want to speak to you anymore. I want my bond. Then exit Jew. After speaking so much, he goes off. Shylock goes off. Then Salenio says, it is the most impenetrable cur that ever kept with man. Salenio then speaks against Shylock and says that he is the most wicked man that we have ever seen in the community of man. Antonio, let him alone. I'll follow him no more with bootless prayers. He seeks my life. His reason well I know. I oft delivered from his forfeiture many that have at times been mourned to me. Therefore he hates me. Antonio says, okay, leave him as he wants. Leave him alone, because now I'll not talk to him. And I know why he is trying to take revenge from me, because I have many times saved the people from his clutches when they were unable to pay back the debts to him. And they had always cried in front of me and have taken help from me, and that is why he is against me. Then Salarino, I am sure the Duke will never grant his forfeiture to hold. Salarino says that, I am certain that the Duke will not allow him to take a pound of flesh from you. Such a bond will never be accepted by the Jew. Antonio, the Duke cannot deny the course of law, for the commodity that strangers have with us in Venice, if it be denied, will much impeach the justice of the state, since that the trade and the profit of the consisteth of all nations. Therefore go, these griefs and losses have so baited me that I shall hardly spare a pound of flesh tomorrow to my bloody creditor. Well, Gowler, on pray God Bassanio come to see pay his debt, and then I care not. Exeunt. So Antonio says, see, the Duke cannot go against the law. Whatever the law he'll have to abide by the law, and whatever is there in the bond, he will have to grant it to the Jew. And because the foreigners, they enjoy certain rights and privileges in Venice, and if he does not grant the bond to Shylock, it will be a disgrace to the fame of Venice. And so if the Duke denies the exaction of the penalty, it will have the adverse effect on the trade of the city, because the trade of Venice with other cities is due to the this goodwill with the other cities, and this will naturally affect the trade with Venice of other cities. Therefore, let us go. And this anxiety and this grief through which I am going through has reduced me and made me think that I shall hardly have a pound of flesh to give my bloodthirsty creditor. Then he says, okay, jailer, you go on. Whatever you have to do, the formalities, you can carry on. And I pray to God that Bassanio must be here and see me how I am paying his debt that he has taken. And then I will have no worries at all. But at least before my death, I want to see Bassanio that I have fully paid all the debts that have been taken from Shylock. And then he exits. They all go along with the jailer. So this scene finishes here. Hope you people have understood it. And if you have understood, you can press the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.